Welcome to English Skillgate. Today, you are not here to study English. You are here to live inside it. So don't try to understand every word. Don't stop the audio. Just listen. That's all you need to do. There was a young man named Alex. Alex was normal, very normal. He worked, he traveled, he dreamed. But there was one thing that always stopped him. English. Alex could read English, he could understand English, but when it was time to speak, his mind went quiet, too quiet. Words disappeared, sentences broke, and confidence left the room. Alex tried many times to learn English. Grammar books, apps, videos. He started strong, he stopped quickly, every time. English felt heavy, like a job he never wanted. One day, Alex made a small decision. Not a big one, not a dramatic one. He decided to travel. Not because his English was good, but because he was tired of waiting for perfect. He booked a flight, he packed his bag, and he went. At the airport, English was everywhere. Announcements, people talking, voices moving fast. At first, Alex felt lost, but then something interesting happened. He stopped trying to understand. He just listened. And slowly, the noise became sound. Not clear sound, but familiar sound. Alex arrived at his hotel. He stood outside for a moment. He looked at the door. He took a breath. This is just English, he told himself. It cannot hurt me. Inside, the hotel was calm. A receptionist smiled. Hello, welcome. Alex listened. He didn't translate. He didn't panic. He answered. Hello, I have a reservation. Not perfect, but real. The receptionist understood. That was enough. Upstairs, in his room, Alex sat on the bed. He felt something new. Relief. He didn't speak much English, but he survived. And more importantly, he listened all day. That night, instead of watching videos with subtitles, Alex played a simple English conversation. He listened. And he repeated, quietly. Again and again. He didn't know it, but he was shadowing, and his brain liked it. The next morning, Alex went outside. The city felt different. English felt closer. In a small shop, a man asked, "Can I help you?" Alex answered slowly, "Yes, I'm looking for swim shorts." The man smiled. Another small win. Small wins are dangerous. They make you want more. At the beach, Alex sat near the water. People talked, laughed, lived. English moved around him. Not scary, not fast, just human. A man next to him said, "Nice day, right?" Alex answered, "Yes. Very nice." 2 sentences, but those 2 sentences changed the day. Now, let me tell you something important. Alex did not become fluent. He did not become perfect. But English stopped being an enemy. It became a habit. Listening every day, repeating every day. No pressure, no stress, just consistency. 30 days. Not magic, practice. Alex noticed something strange. The more he listened, the faster his mouth moved. Not because he learned new words, but because old words woke up. Words never leave, they sleep. Listening wakes them up. Some days were hard. Some days he felt stuck. That's normal. Learning is not a straight line. But Alex didn't stop. He listened while walking, while eating, while resting. English stopped needing effort. It became part of the day. One evening, Alex laughed. He laughed because he remembered himself, quiet, afraid, stuck. That person felt far away now, not gone, just quieter. Alex knew one thing. He was not special, and that was the good news. If this worked for him, it could work for anyone, including you. This story is not really about Alex. It's about listening. It's about letting English come to you, not forcing it, not chasing it, just staying. And if you stayed until now, your brain stayed too, which means learning already happened. This is not the end of the story. It's the beginning, because tomorrow you can listen again, and the day after that, and slowly, English will feel like home.